Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
The Christmas cactus is originally from the tropical rainforests of Brazil. This plant is available from November onwards in nurseries. Christmas cactus is a sensitive plant. If you grow this plant at home and pay a little attention and care throughout the year, it will be your reward in winter. Christmas cactus is available in white, pink, purple or red flowers. Some are two-toned with a contrasting central color. It grows to about 30 cm high. Repot in spring if necessary, a few weeks after flowering finishes. Use 3 parts peat-based potting mixture and 1 part perlite or coarse sand for potting. Water moderately in summer. In winter, when flowering is over, water sparingly. During winter, this plant needs good light. In summer, it needs a sheltered area. Use a liquid fertilizer from April till June for young plants. An average room temperature is enough. During the flowering period, keep the temperature around 13 centigrade. Christmas cactus looks lovely in a hanging basket. It can also look glorious as a colorful centerpiece.
Thanks for watching.